and the definition of courage is in caring each other. There was no unity and harmony among them. The slavery was isolated among them. Their character was able like the sun, who was in darkness. In a man is no longer during the stick to beat the rain. Therefore, Allah was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to become his guest of days and the one. And Allah in the Al-Quran, which was the story of God and the most like any method of life in the world. Remember of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the face-to-face strong spirit teaching of Allah. Though he had money or the rest of Islam, he underwent years, but he had a brilliant result and an enchantment from the darkness to the brilliance. My brothers and sisters, listen to the gospel of Islam in our country wisdom. Muslims are spread by Muslims, and Muhammad to our children. My brothers and sisters, we are currently and the young generation of Islam. We must unfold the liberty. Baltatun toibatun warabun kafur. I think enough. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum.